Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. Let's find out what is in the bag. That is, if I can figure out where to cut and not cut anything. It's in a nice heavy black bag here. See what we got. All right, this bag comes from AliExpress, and this is going to be part 1. I have no idea when part 2, 3, 4, however many it takes, when anything else is going to arrive, so let's just show this. Let me get it out of the bag and I'll be right back. All right. Is that not stunning? I just thought this was absolutely gorgeous. All the beautiful colors. And it is an 11 count. And it is 70 by 70. I have no idea who the company is that made it. I haven't seen these kind of instructions before, so it's a first for me. So it's on kind of a paper, but very well printed, but just kind of small. Just kind of small. See how many colors it has. It has 27 colors. So, could be Hooligan. I have no idea. I think I got this, though, from the Meian store at AliExpress, so maybe this is Meian, M-E-I-A-N store there. I haven't ordered too many things from their store since I used to get diamond paintings from Meian, and that's where I got my huge Great Wall diamond painting from. So let's see what we have. We have 310 black. We have 550 purple. We have 823, which is a dark blue. And we have 966. I don't think that's my turquoise. I think that's 996. And we have like that butter color of 3770 and no 3865. So not sure just what I'm looking to see what this is going to look like. I hope it looks like something. Actually, I thought that it was a 9 count. So, but here we are. Oh, this is going to be fun. We are having fun now, let me tell you. It does come with a toolkit, and it has a thimble. You have 5 needles, a needle threader, and a seam ripper in there, so that's kind of different. And it comes with cards, so that means everything is in skeins. Not sure if I will be putting them, you know, sorting them all out and putting them, yeah, on that or not. And we do have a sheet like they used to send us for diamond paintings that tells you how many skeins, you know, everything is. So, yeah, we'll see. There are 24 skeins of 200 of that 3770, that butterish color. And I believe that's that one right there. So, wow. What I will do is I will sort through them, not at this second, but before we do, we're going to do a stitch with me at 1, so join me then. And I will let you know if everything is there, but we can just look at all the colors that are like coming undone. I don't know why they decided this was a very good idea, but I will be putting this in one of my my bags that I got. I don't think it's going to require a large one, but we can look at the colors. So there's that 3770. So there is a ton of that. We have brown. We have kind of a burnt orange. Beautiful gold color though. Just gorgeous. Look at that peacocky blue. 3750. That's pretty. And we have some green and pink. And it keeps sticking to my fingers because my hands are rough. Do have kind of a yellow, almost on the verge of gold. That is 3822. So that's all in that one. Might as well pull that off. Now it's attaching me staticky. We'll just get them all out here. This is not making me too happy. I do have like a pale olive green there. That's 504, and so those are two different shades of green. One's more of a seafoam, this is more of a pale olive green. We have a nice brown, which is 898. Beautiful blues. Look at this, I don't know, salmon color? Kind of a medium salmon. Very pretty. And there is your 550 purple. I'd know it anywhere. Yeah, this is going to take a moment. So, yep, and we will go through this and count this. What I'm going to do is put you on hold. And I'm going to, I think I can, maybe. Oh, of course, the smaller bags are on the bottom. Oh, hell no. That ain't gonna fit. Not happening. Hold, please. I do have one big one left. So, yep, we're just gonna put all these colors in here for the time being. Just, yeah, so they don't get lost. Ooh, look at that tan brown. Isn't that pretty? Lots of gorgeous, gorgeous threads. There's some more blues. Some dark brown. I didn't see 3371. No, that's 938. But very lovely colors. They're nice and soft. They're beautiful. So we will deal with that later. Let's look at the canvas. Now, it might be too wide for me to measure, but we're going to give it the old college try. And it is not serged all the way around. It has all the earmarks of being a hula can. No serging all the way around. Terribly small key, but everything is printed very nice. Let me see if I can figure out, out which way is up. Oh my God, this thing is huge. Okay. Gotta move the light. Light's gotta get out of my way. Oh my God. Her face must be 24 inches if it's an inch. We're gonna go this way. It does have a salvage edge over here and about, oh, I would say a little over an inch margin. Yeah, this thing is ginormous. Holy cow. All right, it is 85, okay, 85 and a half centimeters, or 33 and a half centimeters. So maybe it's 85 by 85. This thing is ginormous. So, yep, it's supposedly about 85 by 85, or 33 and a half. So the actual, the other way, picture size is 79 centimeters, or a little over 31 inches. Oh my gosh, reaching. Holy cow. knowing me, I picked the biggest amount. Whoops, there went an avalanche. So it's 80.5 centimeters, or about 31 3/4 inches. Huge, ginormous. This could have been totally smaller. So could have been maybe 65 by 65, but it's huge. But we're going to start it. We're going to start in a corner. But very nice. I'm going to put a picture right in here of what this canvas looks like after I go take a picture of it. So that way you can see it. But yeah, it's very well printed. Very nice, very easy to see symbols. And being 11 count, it'll be easy to stitch, but you're going to have some huge, we're still having avalanches. Huge areas to stitch. I didn't realize it was going to be quite this big. And the canvas is kind of thin, but it's that good canvas when you crunch it, it stays crunched. So, very nice. But if I were to order this again, I would get it smaller, take it down a notch. But yeah, it's going to be beautiful with all those colors. Just absolutely gorgeous. Let me see if I can get it to at least fold. But that is what I got today. So, get everything straightened out and put away. Put them scissors away. From AliExpress. And like I said, when the rest comes in, we'll do another unbagging, because I've got 4 more to go, and one of those is huge. So, alright guys, thank you for joining me today and putting up with all my maneuvering there of that canvas, but it was just ginormous. Thanks for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.